What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about the Adams Polishes Cordless Swirl Killer Micro. This is just going to be a quick video to unbox, show you what I got in this kit. I was on an email waiting list for it to get back in stock. Some people were telling me it's a piece of crap. Some people are saying it's the most amazing thing. I generally have to experience something for myself before I can actually go along with saying, hey, this is a piece of crap. I was in the market for a small little micro polisher. I am going to be getting a 3-inch as well, but I do have the 5.5-inch Rupes Bigfoot, and that's been my go-to anytime I've ever needed to polish anything. I also have a Porter Cable 7424 XP. That shows you how long ago I've actually had polishes. Funny story, last time I purchased a polish type kit from Adams was the first time I ever purchased any kind of polish kit. It's when I got my Porter Cable. This was back in the day. I don't know if you follow Adams like that. I'm not a huge fan of them. I have a lot of gripe with them, but they do make some good stuff, so I tend to flock to the good stuff. Back in the day, they used to have a 3-stage kit. It was a white pad, orange pad, and a green pad. They had 3 formulas, and they did their color coding thing back then, way back then. Then they moved away from that, and now they're, back into some form of that. Before I get into this, I want to show you this. I don't know why, but this was packed in there, and this is what it looked like. I did take some pictures. I don't really want to have to start out with some kind of something on the pad, so I'm gonna contact Adams Polishes, see if they could send me another one, because what if that doesn't come out? What if there's something on there that's gonna scratch the paint? Problem is, that's a polishing pad, so that's supposed to be my final step for things. Now, before we open this, what do you think this stuff would be good for? For me, any work around mirrors, any work around trim pieces, tight little areas like this, anything along those lines, or speaking of lines, something that's very heavily body line filled is where this would come into play, where I can't get a larger pad to sit flat flush and keep polishing. That's where this would come in. Now, I'm not naive. I don't expect superior correction. What I do expect is for tight spots to get some good results, and hopefully that's what this is. Now I'm just going to show you real quick. Like I said, I got 3-pack of the white, 3-pack of the blue. Comes with 2 single soft polishing towels. It comes with their 12-ounce each of their color matching polish and compound. And this is the box. So let's open this live. Oh, okay. See, now I'm excited that I actually filmed this. Genuine reaction. I'm happy, because I thought this was going to be like, when you order something and you get a box and you open up the box and there's nowhere to store anything, like my Bigfoot. I basically just have that on a shelf. There wasn't, I know they make cases, but for the price of that you would expect something. So it's a nice little bag. Let's open this up. Let's see what we get in here. Okay. Comes with the tool, so I could be able to attach this bad boy. It's got 2 batteries. I'm not sure how battery life is going to be. I'm hearing it's not too bad. It's got a charger. I'm going to have to read into everything, but so it's actually not bad. I guess, you're just going to hold it, you press this. I don't know if there's any kind of way to lock it into place. I'm not expecting you to actually need to lock it in place for it to be that powerful, but again, this is what you come with. If you see how small the pads are, it's actually kind of cool. Very, very small in comparison to some other pads I've had. You can kind of see where this could take over and have a place in my arsenal. So yeah, this is it's definitely a cool little purchase. I haven't had much need for anything like this, and it's probably going to be a situation where you're barely going to use it, but the way I function, I feel like it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Oh, look, I'm confused. What is that? Maybe that goes on here? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look into this. I'll probably do another video down the line, but I just felt like this was my first impression. Might as well just show you guys what I got. It's pretty cool, and it's, for what I know right now, it's still there, but you know, it doesn't seem like it stays in stock long, and it's been out of stock for a minute. So if you are looking for this, swing by. I don't know, it could be gone for all I know by now, but if it's still in stock, I recommend picking one up. It's definitely kind of cool. I feel like I can store, no, I don't know if I would want to stick pads in there, but we'll keep everything in there. I feel like I could, you know, if everything's charged, I could probably keep this charging set up somewhere on my actual bench, and then keep the pads when once they're cleaned in that little hole there, which would keep everything completely Loctite secured for us, so that nothing could damage it, which would be ideal. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are an OCD OG, I appreciate you for stopping by again. We're going to start getting into more of the detailing stuff. I'm not going to be polishing anything on the Hawk because it is polished and the paint's fine right now, but maybe something on a Tahoe. I have products that just came that we're going to be doing videos on probably as soon as I get the chance. So look forward to that. And that's about it, guys. I love you all. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next one.